Elevate your everyday carry arsenal with essential pry bar tools, merging form and function seamlessly. Crafted for versatility and durability, these compact tools excel at opening, prying, and maneuvering. From tackling everyday tasks to handling unexpected challenges, pry bars are the unsung heroes of your EDC toolkit. Explore the world of practicality and preparedness, where these unassuming tools prove indispensable in navigating life's twists and turns. I included all the link in video description below. Let's dive in. Number 9. EverRatchet Ratcheting Keychain Multitool. A compact marvel of versatility and convenience for everyday tasks. Crafted by EverRatchet, this tool redefines practicality in your pocket. With its innovative design and robust features, it offers a reliable solution for tackling various challenges. The ratcheting mechanism and 1/4 ratchet driver provide precise control, while the 7 wrenches, bottle opener, and scraper expand its utility. The stainless steel construction ensures durability, and the carrying attachment makes it effortlessly portable. Whether for quick fixes, opening bottles, or tightening screws, the EverRatchet Multitool is an essential gear that enhances your preparedness. Embrace the perfect blend of functionality and portability with this compact tool that transforms everyday moments into opportunities for problem-solving and convenience. Number 8. Gerber Prybrid Utility Pocketable Multi-Tool. A versatile and compact solution for everyday tasks. Crafted by Gerber, a trusted name in multi-tool innovation, this tool redefines practicality in your pocket. With its unique design and comprehensive features, it offers a reliable solution for tackling various challenges. The Prybrid's combination of a compact knife, pry bar, wire stripper, and bottle opener makes it a versatile companion for daily tasks. The stainless steel construction ensures durability, while the pocket clip and lanyard hole enhance portability. Whether for quick fixes, opening packages, or minor repairs, the Gerber Prybrid Utility Multi-Tool is an essential gear that adds efficiency to your everyday life. Embrace the perfect blend of functionality and convenience with this tool that transforms routine moments into opportunities for problem-solving and versatility. Number 7. Scrade SCP2 Pry Tool EDC Multi-Tool. A versatile and compact companion for everyday tasks. Crafted by Shrade, a brand known for quality tools, this multi-tool redefines practicality in your pocket. With its sturdy construction and thoughtful features, it offers a reliable solution for a variety of challenges. The SCP2 Pry Tool combines a pry tip, bottle opener, flathead screwdriver, and oxygen tank wrench, making it a versatile addition to your EDC arsenal. The stainless steel build ensures durability, while the compact size and included keychain hole enhance portability. Whether for opening packages, tightening screws, or assisting in emergencies, the Schrade SCP2 Pry Tool EDC Multi-Tool is an essential gear that adds functionality to your daily routine. Embrace the perfect blend of utility and convenience with this tool that transforms everyday moments into opportunities for versatility and problem-solving. Number 6. Gerber Mullet Keychain Multi-Tool. A versatile and compact solution for everyday tasks. Crafted by Gerber, a renowned name in multi-tool innovation, this tool redefines functionality on your keychain. With its unique design and practical features, it offers a reliable solution for a range of challenges. The Gerber Mullet combines a pry bar, wire stripper, nail puller, flathead driver, and bottle opener, making it a versatile companion for daily needs. The stainless steel construction ensures durability, while the compact size and integrated keychain hole enhance portability. Whether for quick fixes, opening bottles, or minor repairs, the Gerber Mullet Keychain Multi-Tool is an essential gear that adds efficiency to your everyday life. Number 5. CRKT Viva Multi-Tool. A versatile and functional companion for everyday tasks. Crafted by CRKT, a trusted name in innovative tools, this multi-tool redefines practicality in your pocket. With its compact design and thoughtful features, it offers a reliable solution for various challenges. The Viva's compact size hides a pry bar, screwdriver, bottle opener, and hex wrench, making it an essential tool for daily needs. The stainless steel construction ensures durability, while the integrated carrying loop enhances portability. Whether for opening bottles, tightening screws, or assisting in small repairs, the CRKT Viva Multitool is an essential gear that adds convenience to your routine. Embrace the perfect blend of functionality and portability with this tool that transforms everyday moments into opportunities for problem-solving and versatility. Number 4. Glow Rhino Tritium Pry Bar, a unique and versatile tool designed to illuminate your tasks. Crafted by Glow Rhino, this pry bar redefines practicality and visibility. With its innovative design and tritium illumination, it offers a reliable solution for a range of challenges, even in low-light conditions. The tritium vials emit a steady glow without the need for batteries, ensuring constant visibility. The pry bar's rugged construction and ergonomic design provide durability and ease of use. Whether for opening containers, prying objects, or simply locating your tool in the dark, the Glow Rhino Tritium Pry Bar is an essential gear that adds both functionality and safety to your daily routine. Embrace the perfect blend of innovation and convenience with this tool that transforms everyday moments into opportunities for problem-solving and illumination. Number 3. Scra SCP2 Personal Emergency Rescue 5-in-1 EDC Multitool, a versatile and compact lifesaver for unforeseen situations. Crafted by Shrade, a brand known for quality tools, this multi-tool redefines preparedness in your pocket. With its thoughtful design and comprehensive features, it offers a reliable solution for a variety of emergencies. The SCP2 combines a pry tip, strap cutter, glass breaker, flathead screwdriver, and bottle opener, making it a versatile addition to your EDC gear. The stainless steel build ensures durability, while the compact size and included keychain hole enhance portability. Whether for vehicle accidents, emergency exits, or general preparedness, the Shrade SCP2 Personal Emergency Rescue Multi-Tool is an essential gear that adds a layer of safety and functionality to your daily routine. Embrace the perfect blend of utility and readiness with this tool that transforms unexpected moments into opportunities for versatility and peace of mind. Number 2. Griffin Adventure Tool, a versatile and rugged companion for outdoor enthusiasts. Crafted by Griffin Pocket Tool, this tool redefines functionality and versatility in a compact design. With its innovative features and robust construction, it offers a reliable solution for a range of tasks. The Griffin Adventure Tool boasts a variety of functions, including a pry bar, bottle opener, flathead screwdriver, and more. Its high-quality stainless steel build ensures durability, making it suitable for outdoor adventures and everyday use. The compact size and integrated carrying hole enhance portability, allowing you to keep it handy wherever you go. Whether for camping, hiking, or everyday challenges, the Griffin Adventure Tool is an essential gear that adds efficiency and convenience to your life. Embrace the perfect blend of practicality and durability with this tool that transforms moments into opportunities for problem-solving and preparedness. Number 1. Gerber Prybrid Utility, a compact and versatile multi-tool designed to tackle everyday tasks with ease. Crafted by Gerber, a brand renowned for its innovative tools, this utility tool redefines practicality in a pocket-sized package. With its unique combination of features and sturdy construction, it offers a reliable solution for a variety of challenges. The Gerber Prybrid utility features a pry bar, wire stripper, nail puller, flathead screwdriver, and bottle opener, making it an indispensable companion for daily needs. The stainless steel build ensures durability, while the integrated keychain attachment enhances portability. Whether for opening packages, tightening screws, or stripping wires, the Gerber Prybrid utility is an essential gear that adds efficiency and convenience to your routine. Embrace the perfect blend of functionality and versatility with this tool that transforms everyday moments